How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be analyzing the entire market. This right here is quite, an important update, of course, because you are seeing the market, making its way down, obviously to some of the levels we've been speaking about over the last few days. If you watch my XRP update, even yesterday or the day before, I spoke about the $82,000 price point for BTC because if we're in the 38.2, the chances of us retesting that are always there. And actually, as of today, we actually broke below that. So we're really going to talk about what's happening with the market, what is really next. So this applies to everyone, whether you're holding Hbar, Cardano, ICP, VChain, whatever the case may be. This applies to you. So as you can see across the board, double digit drop for pretty much the entire market right now. A lot of fear. Once again, obviously today is the weekend, more manipulation than usual, but as CME futures are closed. But we're going to be talking about some of the other factors as well right now. So as far as the broader market is concerned, you can see this for yourself. We could just go scroll through the CoinGecko main page, and you can see everything seems to be down right now except USDT or USDC. These are coins that are in green, even though they don't fluctuate because they are stable coins. So market is seeing a lot of fear right now within the space itself. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So crypto market loses over $130 billion, that was just completely erased out of the valuation today alone. And on top of that, U.S. stock market futures fall sharply at the open, with the Dow now down 300 plus points and NASDAQ 100 down 1%. So crypto decline was clear indication of growing risk off sentiment this weekend. In terms of traditional markets, they're showing weakness in terms of, a lot of outside factors, especially the tariffs, which have really, caused a lot of uncertainty, within, the economy itself, especially, the stock market and the crypto markets. And now, people are wondering whether or not, this is it. We're going to get more towards the downside before we see some sort of a bounce. We'll see what happens. Of course, we're going to obviously see what comes out, this upcoming week as to what we hear. But things are looking quite bearish. And as far as crypto is concerned, we're going to obviously analyze the charts and really take a look at what's happening with crypto. But look, 120 billion liquidated from cryptocurrency market in the past 60 minutes alone. And I kind of want to take you guys back 5 days ago. I said this was just 5 days back. I said these last 24 hours have been complete roller coaster of a ride. CME gap has been filled, but I still have a feeling we can retest $73,000 before bouncing. Let's see how this plays out. Not financial advice. Which coin are you buying right now? So with that said, if you're looking at the dominance index, look what the dominance did. As Bitcoin did drop, you saw the dominance shoot up to 61.96%. So as I was saying to you guys over the last few days, dominance is showing a significant amount of strength for itself. So if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a downside, you could see the dominance, pick up quite fast. And that's exactly what happened right now. And as you know, that is not a good sign if you are an altcoin holder. But with that said, your dominance still quite high, showing a lot of strength. But look at what's happening with Bitcoin. It's not looking good right now at all. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin could actually end up closing the daily candle today, at $80,000. And if it's below that, guys, the double bottom that we've been speaking about over the last few days could really be in place. So as of recording this update, Bitcoin price is sitting below the 38 point. We're actually sitting in the 0.50. But let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame to really show you guys what this really means. So you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin has seen quite a sharp decline. Obviously we were trading sideways over the last 24 hours. I spoke to you guys about that in my XRP update, but of course, we lost that support. And you can see this for yourself. We have fallen about 6% since then. And right now, guys, we're sitting at very, very critical levels. The $80,000. I'm sure you guys have been hearing me talk about the $80,000 for quite some time. And that's where we are currently at right now. And again, if this does not hold, right now, we're in extreme danger territory, to be honest with you guys, as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Obviously, in order for me to be bullish, I've been quite clear on, where I turn bullish for the crypto markets, and that's in the 23.6. Simple as that. You can go watch any video of mine. I've been saying the 23.6 is the level, where I have set my confirmations at, and until we don't get there, I am not bullish for the market. Of course, we got rejected at that, leading into the crypto summit. And of course, you can see this for yourself. That was a clear decline, and we're finding ourselves back in the 0.50 fib zone. And again, if we don't close the daily candle around here, if we do not close the daily candle back in the 38.2, the chances of us, making our way down another 3.2% are quite high. And that would be a double bottom. I might get supported around there a little bit. Might see a little bit of an uptick, but remember, as I stated to you guys before, the 73,000. Let me kind of take you guys back. $73,000 support line is right here, as you can see this for yourself, and this support is still on the table, believe it or not. Obviously, that would mean, altcoins could fall much more compared to, where they are at right now. But going back to what I said to you guys before, and I've said this a lot in my other market analysis updates, crypto markets tends to, even in a bull market, see quite sharp drops. And I've showed you guys, last, bull market pattern. You can see this for yourself. On April 19th, we went up to 64K. That was all-time high. We saw BTC going down 53%. And again, this time around, of course, there's a lot of demand for crypto, much more than before. But if it were to, put into visuals from our all-time high, which was at $180,000, a 55%, drop literally puts it at $47,000. Again, only time is going to tell if that really comes into play. But right now, things are not looking good, and the target at that $73,000 is still on the table and could actually likely end up retesting if we don't obviously get supported at 78.5. I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? What are your personal predictions? Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.